scientist. Did you know today is International Dog Day? And we're gonna celebrate it by baking.
Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, keep learning.
Did you know that baking is also science? You have materials, you have measurements, and you even have reactions. Today, in honor of International Dog Day, we're going to make some dog treats. We found this recipe, easy, simple recipe from mamateaches.com, so thank you. And let's get to the ingredients. You need a cup of flour, half a cup of peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter, use applesauce, carrot puree, or pumpkin puree. Half a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of water, a bowl, a spoon. You need a baking sheet and parchment paper on top of it. Make sure to put something like butter so it sticks, or if you don't have parchment paper, you can just use squeezed butter. Okay, so now we're gonna mix everything together to make our dough. And now we're going to use the next item. Now we're going to add the water. And now let's mix it.
Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, keep learning.
It's getting tougher.
Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, keep learning.
Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Okay.
You know when it's done, when you see that all the ingredients are mixed together and you can see no more flour. We're going to make medium-sized balls with our hands. Try to make them the same size so they can cook evenly. You can use a spoon to try to make them even.
Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, keep learning. Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, Davy the science kid, keep learning.
We are done. So make sure to put them a little bit apart, like about 2 inches. We're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and let's see how it comes out. Okay, so when they're done, put them in a small container where they can fit in, and wait 30 minutes so it can cool down, and then you can give it to your cuddly friend. Now for the ultimate test. My assistant cookie will, like this, You ready?
Sit, Cookie.
Sit. Sit. Okay, ready? Shake. And I think she's likes it. She likes the peanut butter. So you can store it in a small container box. It lasts 1 week in room temperature, 3 weeks in the fridge, and 6 months in the freezer. So make sure to like the video and subscribe. We're so close to 100 subscribers. And remember, keep learning.